Okay guys, so before we get into the actual specifics of, the how-to process of actually how to build the channel, how to, create the links and generate the traffic to the channel, I want to touch on like the basics and the overview of how you can actually make money using this method. Now this is actually, we're on my hub for my channel right now. I have two channels currently. This is the main channel for my company. It's BG Media Innovation. You can find me at YouTube slash BG Media Innovation. And it's basically digital marketing tips, obviously e-commerce insight and how-to content for inspiring entrepreneurs across the board. I got started and I kind of am growing this channel. So it's really, really cool to kind of see the growth there. And it's something that I'm really passionate about teaching. So I genuinely enjoy it. Now, I also created a new channel that I just recently started kind of generating traffic to. And I've seen the marketability of how you can actually use these affiliate links. And I'm going to go into that example after this for you. That's what you guys are going to be doing. But this will give you another good example of how to actually make money through affiliate links on YouTube. So basically, some of the first couple videos that I made were geared around Amazon. I do a lot of Amazon FBA. Obviously I do drop shipping as well, and I do email marketing and digital marketing across the board. A variety of different things throughout those niches. But the first couple videos that I made were actually on Amazon, and what I did was I had taken a PPC module for Kevin David's Amazon affiliate course, and I linked them in the descriptions of the YouTube of these videos that I did on basically getting more Amazon reviews. And you can see them all here, all the modules linked, as well as my retail arbitrage course, which I just threw in there recently. And basically all I did was I generated traffic to these videos, and ignore this stuff on the side. This is stuff that we'll be going into more in the future. This is actually basically my secret weapon for getting, YouTube tags and kind of figuring out where you rank. It's called TubeBuddy. It's phenomenal. I'll actually link this in this lecture as well, as well as the first lecture. And I'll link both this and the softwares in the bonus lecture and this lecture as well, in case you guys want to check them out. But this will really help you start, ranking tags and generating organic growth. If you don't understand tags yet, it's basically what people are typing into the YouTube search bar. So if somebody types in how to get more Amazon reviews 2017, how to get more Amazon reviews in 2017, or anything like that, basically don't want to update, go away. Basically I pop up as the first result. Now, if somebody types in how to get Amazon reviews, I pop up as the third result. It's pretty self-explanatory. That will really kind of help you organically rank and generate traffic towards your videos. So ignore this for now. But you can see here that this video has 2,200 views roughly, and it's only earned about 340. The money is not in the ad revenue, trust me. And I document my entire ad revenue journey on my channel if you want to check that out. But the money is in the affiliate links. So these affiliate links down here in the description are basically how I generate a lot of money being an affiliate for Kevin David's Amazon courses. So I took the PPC module, but I linked them all here. And believe it or not, just this video alone, combined with this video right here, this is actually not my video, that's Tanner Fox's. This video right here, Amazon, the FBA Ninja course review, this video right here, and this pay-per-click video, which is not mine either, this one is. Just these 4 videos alone, which roughly, what is that, it's like 3,000, 4,000, maybe 5,000 roughly, a little bit more potentially. Just on 5,000 views, I've literally generated about $5,000 in affiliate marketing for his course. Okay, so you can understand the marketability and the potential power of putting the right affiliate links in the right videos targeted around the right traffic for that niche. Okay, so I'm going to give you another example before we get into the example for the actual course. Now, this is not my video either. They keep going past it. This is a video I did on GMass, which, I have an email marketing and affiliate marketing combined course. It's called Email and Affiliate Marketing Mastermind. It's a great course. If you want to check that out, it's a bestseller and probably my best course on Udemy. And I have a bunch of great courses, but that's probably one of my best ones. Well, I put GMass as an affiliate link because I use GMass in that course, and it's a great service. And I actually use GMass for all my emails as well. And I did this video too on YouTube, and literally just combined with this video and my Udemy course, I've made about $2,000 just promoting GMass. Now GMass that's a lot of sales, believe it or not, because I think I only get about $10, maybe it's it's like $8 to $10 per GMass sale, because they have for the lifetime of that person's subscription or so on and so forth. But you can imagine how many sales that is and how much traffic and how many people have actually clicked those links and purchased it, because I recommend it and I put it in the description of my YouTube video, and I put it, obviously on my Udemy videos. So that's just something to keep in mind, kind of showcasing the marketability of putting links, affiliate links, in the right video descriptions of your YouTube videos. Now, this is an example I'm going to use for the course. It's Best of Shark Tank, and it centers around the Shark Tank niche, obviously, business, entrepreneurs, same thing as kind of mine. But this person obviously doesn't own this content. Now, you can take this and run with it however you want. You can do it with, any niche that you can potentially think of. You can do a motivation niche where you take motivation video clips and kind of rearrange them. And I actually might show you that as an example for this video, because I feel like that would be a good one, and you guys can take that and run with it, because you can make a lot of money in the motivation niche. All right, well, we finally got that to load. Something was going on with my internet there that was strange. But here we are on Best of Shark Tank again, obviously. And you can see all their uploads and all the traffic that they get on their videos. 540,000, 85,000, 220,000. Let's pull up this 545,000 one right here. And I think this will be a good example of how they're actually doing their affiliate links. So you can see here that clearly, like I talked about, they don't own this content. It's, clips of Shark Tank's show that is shown on TV. And if you come down here into the description, they obviously plug a bunch of stuff. Alley Inspector software, that's probably an affiliate link. But really how they're making their money is they're linking the Shark Tank products, popular Shark Tank products, as you see here. And this is a great example of this, because these are all affiliate links. If you click one of these, it'll take you to Amazon to a Shark Tank product, where if you purchase this, they obviously get a commission on this affiliate sale. So if you buy this through their link, they make money. And the way that they do this is, you can imagine, let's just run some numbers here, because I'm always, I love running numbers and kind of calculating how much money you can make. Let's assume that there's 545,000. Let's just average it off there. Let's assume that only 1% of the people that actually watch this video and read the description click this link. That's 5,450 people. Now let's assume that people click this and they make this purchase for $47.49. Okay. Now another little caveat, really fast, before you if you understand anything about affiliate marketing, especially on Amazon, the way they're doing this, and granted, it will be different for each affiliate marketing network that you choose, but for this example specifically, and a lot of the affiliate networks that you choose, especially if it's a place like Amazon and they have a bunch of products, they track your cookies. Okay, so if I clicked through their link and I decided that I didn't want to purchase this, but maybe this caught my eye and I purchased this instead, they would still get a commission on this. Okay, so that's how cookies and affiliate links work. You don't have to actually purchase the product that the link is for, as long as they get you on the site and you make a purchase within the time frame. And I forget the exact time frame that Amazon allots you, but they still get a commission on that. But let's run some numbers, because I always think that's fun. So like I said, there's 545,000 roughly views on this. Let's assume that 1% of those people, just 1%, read the description and click the link, and they make a purchase on this. Okay, and then we'll roughly assume that they get a low commission on this. That's like $250 on $47.49, which is very, very low. $5,450 times $250 is still $13,625. Just on this product alone, just from affiliate links, just from linking the affiliate links on the right video, generating the right traffic, because clearly anybody that's searching for this in the right ways, and that's 545,000 people, are all targeted that potentially are going to be interested in watching this content, and 10 times more likely, and I just pulled that number out of my out of my mind, obviously, but they're going to be much more likely, exponentially more likely, to make a purchase on a Shark Tank product and through their affiliate link, because they're already geared around this targeted niche. Now, another example that we can pull up really fast would be like a motivation niche. So we'll just type in motivation, and I'll actually I'm gonna go in and show you. We're just gonna take let's take a short one right here, And we're actually going to break something apart like this to show you a good example, because I feel like this would be a great example of how you can get started without, too much experience needed, kind of cutting the video apart and remeshing it. And I'll show you that all. And then the first thing we'll do is create the YouTube channel. I'll show you how to do that. Then we're going to make your video, and you can just then you post your affiliate links in the description. We'll tag out your video with TubeBuddy, which is basically my secret weapon to, generating a lot of traffic on your videos. You can see here, let's see if they rank for any tags. They rank for a couple. So they could do their tags a lot better, and I'll show you how to kind of manipulate those. But yeah, guys, so there's a lot of money to be made here if you know how to put the content in front of the right people, tag it right so you're search engine optimizing YouTube wise your videos, and then putting the affiliate links in your description and simply sitting back as these basically earn you money over the years to come. You put the video up, you link the affiliate links, you start pushing traffic to it by tagging it correctly, and then you sit back and let it collect for you for the rest of your life. Okay, that's the basic business model. It's a really, really exciting stuff. We're gonna jump right in the next one, and then we'll move on from there.